Hi there. So in this exam question, we are proving the circle geometry theorem that states that the line drawn from the center of a circle that bisects a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Okay, so in this diagram, we are told that O is the center and the line from the center is OD, and it's going to be bisecting the chord AB. So we've been asked to therefore prove that OD is perpendicular to AD. Okay, let's begin. So we're going to start with a construction. And we are going to draw a line from O connecting to A, like that. So we are going to say draw OA. And we're also going to draw another line from O connecting to B and OB. So that's our construction. So this construction gives us two triangles. So what we can do is we can use congruency to prove that these two triangles are exactly the same. And then from there, we'll be able to prove that OD is perpendicular to AB. So let's begin. So in triangle ADO and triangle BDO, the first thing is that AO is equal to OB. So AO will be equal to OB, and the reason is that they are radii. So they're both coming from the center of the circle, meaning they're both radii. The second thing will be that we find that OD is common. So that's common between the two. There really isn't a theorem or proof that we need for that. It's quite visible. And then lastly, AD is equal to BD. And this is because it's given. Okay, and from there onwards, we are therefore able to prove that triangle ADO is congruent to triangle BDO, and the reason will be because of side, side, and side. We just proved that two sides are exactly equal. Sorry, I meant three sides. Okay, so now that we have these two triangles being congruent, we can therefore prove that if we label this angle at D to be 1 and this is 2, we can say that D1 is equal to D2. And the reason will be because triangle ADO is congruent to triangle BDO. So those two triangles, those two angles have to be the same because their triangles are exactly the same. All right, so if these two angles are equal, and you can see that they are angles on a straight line, it means that there will be 90 degrees, right? So therefore, we have just proved that OD is perpendicular to AB, and our reason will be because they are angles on a straight line. And we know those add up to 180. Okay, and there you go. That's the proof.